how we can share this form. So if we are in form editor, we can open menu, click on share. From here we can share the link of our form, we can share on social media, we can generate QR code, and we can use iFrame or JS library. So to share in WordPress, I'm going to copy this iFrame code and I'm going to my WordPress blog. From here, I'm going to create a new post. Let's give it a title. Okay, next we can add custom HTML. So custom HTML here, and we paste our code here. And we can set up our height and width. For example, height must be like 500, 500 pixels, and we can assign different properties. So that's it. We publish it and we can view the post. And here we have our form and quiz that is shown in WordPress. And we have template it here again. And it is working as it should. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching the video, and share it with your friends, colleagues, and people those need this.